Hi, this is Phil Jackson with Purview. Today we're looking at a CT data set that was given to us for the purposes of sharing with you how to generate a 3D volume rendering and volume measurement of a tumor. This is a patient who presented with a left lung mass. They had shortness of breath and a history of COPD. So we're looking at the data set in OsiriX. We have the data set open, and we're going to begin by drawing some regions of interest around this tumor using the closed polygon tool. The closed polygon tool will allow us to draw regions of interest around the tumor, and we'll start by doing that now. And really what we like to do is just draw a few ROIs around the tumor. It doesn't need to be around all of the tumor or all of the images in this series, just a few images in the series. Because what OsiriX will do for us is it will automatically compute the missing ROIs, which is really an incredible feature of the application. So we'll draw a few more of these. All right. And what we'll do now is we will rename all of the ROIs in this series. We'll go to ROI rename, and we'll choose to rename all of the ROIs in this series tumor. And the next thing we'll do is we'll go to ROI, and we'll go to ROI volume, and we'll generate all of the missing ROIs. And you'll notice if we start scrolling through the data set, the missing ROIs are now available. Now, computationally, it's generated a best guess. We can tweak these ROIs by using the repulsor tool. And we just simply click down and drag our repulsor tool around the ROIs. And you'll notice that we can get them to be better established around the tumor. And we can do as much cleanup as we'd like here. If we're just looking for a general volume measurement, not necessary to get super detailed, we'll go ahead and stick with that for now. Fairly accurate representation of the tumor. We'll go up to ROI one last time, and we'll go down to ROI volume, and we'll compute the volume of this ROI series. And OsiriX will render that tumor into a 3D visualization and also provide us with the volume of the tumor. And that is how you can perform a 3D volume rendering of a 3D object, in this case a tumor. A very useful function of the OsiriX application. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have more questions about how to use OsiriX, visit us online at www.osirixexperts.com.